I hope you're all doing fine today. Yes. Good. Today's session is a continuation of what we have already learned in the previous lectures. That is the description of people, description of your routine, and talking about an ideal routine as well. I gave you guys a task that you had to prepare an ideal routine or interviewing a celebrity, where you're interviewing a celebrity about their ideal routine. So I hope you guys have prepared it. Has anyone prepared it? Yes. That's good. I would like to call upon Sarah and her friend. Would you guys like to come on the stage? Okay, good. Yeah, I would like you guys to present.
I am Sarah. I am from grade 10. She is my class fellow. Her name is Fatma Afzal. Today we are representing a little conversation between a die-hard fan and a personality. Oh my god! You are a famous authoress, Fatma?
Yes, I am.
I can't believe that you are in front of me. I am your die-hard fan.
Okay, I see.
I read a lot of your books. Your books are very informative and incredible.
My pleasure. I would like it if someone recognize me because of my work and appreciate it.
Nowadays, I am reading your book, Zare Haya. It is very informative book. How do you write such good books?
What a choice. Actually, this book is very close to my heart. I think it is gift for me from Allah.
Oh, you are very blessed, mashallah. When did you start writing such books?
When I was in school, I was fond of reading. In later time, I want to read books so that my reading skill enhance and I write a lot.
Can I take a selfie with you?
I always ready for selfie.
Oh, thank you so much. You are very down to earth person.
I think that was a very good representation by Sarah and Fatma about an encounter that you may have with a known personality, right? So hats off to them.